Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I want to call it Battle of the Boxes, but it's not really Battle of the Boxes because it would not be fair. So I don't know what to call this video, but we're going to be unboxing my Boxypremium box. This is my paid for box, as well as my Ipsy X right here. So like I said, it'd be like an unfair battle if I battled these two together because they're definitely different in price point. And they would definitely be different quality. I think Ipsy would overall win because, like I said, it's an unfair advantage. But if you guys want to see what I got in both these boxes, what my thoughts are, well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I just want to apologize, guys. It is going to be loud. It is going to be loud. I have every week, me and the lawnmower people battle for attention on camera. Right now, they are winning. And also, my upstairs neighbors finally moved out. So maintenance is up there right now. I don't know what maintenance is doing, but they're making a lot of noise, walking around, cleaning, doing stuff. I don't know what they're doing. But anyway, they're up there, so it's going to be loud. I do apologize. You know what? This is apartment life, so it's on, dude. It is on. All right, so if you guys watched my PR unboxing, I actually unboxed my Boxypremium and I did not like my box in the slightest. So hopefully this will be a better box. I think this now retails for $38. Ooh, Boxy is really upping their price, but they're not really upping the items that are in here. So I'm kind of like, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, you heard my challenge, huh? Alrighty guys, so like last time, this is Boxy Invite. I'm sorry, but this guy's like literally standing right outside my window. And then I just hear yelling behind me with maintenance. It's, I cannot wait until one day I live in a house. Like I'm just, Okay, so the very first item that I see is actually from Kat Von D, and this is a powder foundation. This is the Lock It Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Light 130, and it says that this is a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instantly blurring, and extreme long wear, and is sexy compact. Retails for $37. I hate when they describe items like that. Like, really, it's really sexy. Okay, so, this is the packaging right here. And when you open it up, oh, here we have this right here. I don't know if this is my exact match. Oh, wow. Sorry. That might be a little bit too light for me, but something I definitely want to give a try. I want to try out this shade. So that's actually really cool. I think I picked this item for myself. I honestly always forget when I pick items because I picked them over a month ago. So I'm like, I always forget. But that's awesome. It's already looking better than the first box. Okay, next we do have the Rhodial Blush Drops. This is in the shade Frosted Pink, and if you guys watched my last review, I actually did receive this in PR, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this into No Waste Wednesday, but this does retail for $50. Next we have something from Girlactic. This is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Again, I did receive this in my PR box. This actually retails for $20, and there's actual like rose petals in here, and so many of you guys in my comment section said that you can actually eat them. I mean, I would hope they're edible, but at the same time, I don't want to have like a textured lip gloss. If I put on a lip gloss and I feel something on it, I'm going to think it's a bug. I'm like, ah! And I'm going to freak out thinking like it's a spider. Knowing that it's rose petals, I'm going to freak out because there's going to be a moment where I'm just forgetting. I'm just putting it on. I'm like, oh my God, I just swallowed a bug. You know what I'm saying? So it's weird. It smells good, but yeah, it's really weird. It's interesting though. But definitely this would go into No Waste Wednesday. Next we do have the Rhodial oil. This is from Original Roll-On Oil. Retails for $50, and it's supposed to be a very, very light scent that you roll onto your wrist, and it's supposed to kind of match your pH balance. And the company I was talking about in my last video, I said that there used to be a company called Pure Romance. Thank you guys in the comment section for telling me that was like a sex like kind of like Avon stuff where they go to your house, they have parties, they sell toys, and there's like a roll-on oil from Pure Romance. I used to love that oil, but this is also quite expensive for what it is. It's $50. I would never pay $50 for something like this, but I mean, it did smell good on my wrist, so I did enjoy it, but I like stuff that has a little bit more fragrance to it, so Okay, so next we do have the Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle. This is an eye drop serum. Again, I did get this in my PR box. This retails for $38. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. I got distracted. My neighbor left so much freaking shit that all the maintenance is just towing away all of their stuff. I feel so bad for them. I love my maintenance team. They're so nice. Okay, so last but not least, we do have something from Sultra Beauty. This is a rejuvenating hair serum. It says protects hair and reduces frizz with the Sultra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. Infused with healthy ingredients, leave hair shiny and smooth. This serum prevent your hair from damage and dryness. Retails for $45. Okay, that's awesome. Ooh, she looks fancy. Oh my God, that smells divine. I'm gonna beat you, man. I'm gonna beat you. That smells really good, actually. It smells really, really good. Okay, that's awesome. Wow. Okay, so I can safely say that I think my paid for box was better than my actual PR box, because I got 3 makeup items, and then I got a hair care product, an eye product, and an essential oil. So I'm definitely enjoying this box. I think it's a little bit better than my actual PR box. So, but that's good though, because I paid for this one. So that's awesome. So I just want to thank everybody who's new here, who came over from Jacqueline Hill. I am wearing her saint necklace right here, along with the crescent moon earrings right here. And I am just obsessed with her jewelry. Like, truly, I feel so elegant, so beautiful. And I already put pieces on my Christmas list to send out to my family. Like, this is what I want, because I'm trying to complete my collection where I own everything. So I've just been like passing out things for everybody, like look, like this is what I like. Speaking of Christmas, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that as of right now, like this moment, today and tomorrow only, Ofra Cosmetics is having a huge sale on all of their highlighters. So every single highlighter, all 32 on their website, is only $15. Freaking $15. That's insane. Right now I am wearing the shade Milk and Cookies. This is my favorite one from Ofra Cosmetics. I absolutely love this one. It's so beautiful, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Has a nice little wet shine to it. But literally when they told me about their sale, I was like, are you freaking kidding me? 50% off of all of their single highlighters. So every single highlighter is $15. That is insane. Now, I do have a discount code with Ofra Cosmetics, but the code does not apply to the sale because you guys are literally saving so much. But I just wanted to tell you guys about the sale, because how freaking sick is it that these highlighters are all $15 and they're so amazing. So I'll link them down below for you guys to check out. But I just wanted to tell you guys about that, because literally that's a great savings. And did I go on and buy some stuff for myself? I absolutely did. All right, so moving on to my Ipsy X. Alrighty, so Ipsy X is brought to you by Huda herself. So Huda Katan, or Huda Katan, if I'm saying that wrong, she's the owner of Huda Beauty. She's gorgeous. She makes some amazing stuff, and she curated this month's box. Am I going to read all the stuff inside? No, because I just don't care enough to read what's inside. But we're going to see if we've got some good items in here. So the very first thing I see is from PMD. This is the Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And let's see what it has to say. Okay, so this actually retails for $99, and it says, TBH, there's nothing that super powered skincare device can't do. Made with the ultra hygienic silicone, it uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. So that's actually really cool. And it's in, oh, I thought it was gonna be my favorite color. It looks like it's an orange, but I think it's like a peachy orange. That's really cool. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna have to try this out. I think I have like one of these from Boxy, but I don't know if I have this size. I don't know. I usually tend to give them away because I already have like the little Luna from Fiorio, but I'm always down to give another brand a try. So, and if Huda said it's great, well then it's great. Okay, so next we have Cover FX. This is a gripping primer and firming. What? I didn't even know they had that. What? Cover FX gripping primer. It says good makeup days are in your future. Thanks to this smoothing face primer, it helps to create an instant tightening effect that grips onto makeup and flawless for all day wear. Retails for $38. Oh my God, I didn't even know they had one. That's awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a try to see if it helps, you know, with the oil, with making my makeup last all day. So that's exciting. Okay, awesome. That made me really excited. Okay, so next we have something from Wishful, which if you guys don't know is Huda Beauty's skincare brand. And this is called Thirst Trap Juice. It's an HA3 and peptide serum. Ooh. Okay, so this is actually one of Huda's picks, and it does retail for $47. And it says Huda bottled up all the best hydrating and plumping ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe, and niacinamide to create the fast-acting serum. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Oh, that smells quite nice. Okay, that's cool. All right, next we have Soleil. This is Masque de Glacier Clay Mask. This retails for $40, and it says the hero ingredient in this Huda loving face mask. Glacial volcanic clay from the coast of the British Columbia. It's rich in more than 60 minerals and its rare elements to help transform your complexion. Okay. she picks a lot of skincare. All right, that's cool. All right, next we have something from, oh my God, I've just got this actually. Next we have another eye maquillage. This is a Dirty Talk lipstick. I just got this in my Ipsy PR box. Okay, so I must be blind because I don't see this on my list at all. Maybe this wasn't supposed to be in there and it just happened to be up in there. Oops. Let's see if it's the same color. No, this is actually a pink one. Oh, that's actually a really pretty color. Okay. I don't see it on my list at all, so I don't know if this is supposed to be in here or not, or this just happened to just end up in here by accident, but I'll take it. All right, next we have something from, oh, this is Huda Beauty. This is Legit Lashes. You deserve the best lash, and we are legitimately swear to give you major volume. I've never tried any of Huda Beauty's mascaras before, so let's see again. This retails for $27, and it says this game changer combines two long-lasting mascaras in one. The volumizing side gives lashes instant thickness, and the curling and lengthening side creates a wide eye look. Ooh! Oh my God, it's legit two sides. What the heck? That looks like Benefit Roller Lash. I'm already in love. I cannot wait to try that out. And then on this side, ooh, she's a little thick, but I love the fact that they have two different two different type of mascaras in here. I literally put on like 4 or 5 mascaras every single time I wear mascara. So I think this is awesome, and I cannot wait to try this out. See, this is why it'd be an unfair battle. Next we have something from Rare Beauty. This is a Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. This is in the shade Transcend. This retails for $22, and I believe I actually tried this out before. I think I got it when I did my Rare Beauty review, and I actually did end up giving this away. This is absolutely beautiful, but I do kind of find these things to be just a little intimidating because of the fact that like I don't really do well with like a liquid luminizer because it gets so oily. So this looks like a really, really, really beautiful shade. So I may or may not keep this. I may try it out, but if not, you guys already know where I'm going to put it. But that is actually really cool. Oh shit, now I kind of want to try it. I kind of want to swatch it. That is that right there. That is freaking stunning. You know what I probably could use this for? I probably could use this as an eyeshadow. I guarantee I could use this as an eyeshadow. That's beautiful. Wow. Last but not least, we got something from Patrick Ta. Ah! This is a softening lip masque. What? So it says Major Glow Softening Lip Masque in She's Juicy, retails for $22. Get baby soft lips with this ultra nourishing mask. It helps to lock in moisture with a vegan lanolin and emollient blend. I hate when they come up with all these weird ass names, but I'm so excited. I really want to try more stuff from his brand, but it's just so luxurious and so expensive. So now I get a chance to do so. Wow. Okay. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, bitch. This smells like peppermint. Wow. It tastes like peppermint too. What? That is so freaking nice. Oh my God, I have something from Patrick Ta. That's so freaking cool. All right, guys. So out of the 8 items, I got 5 makeup items and then 3 skincare products. That is freaking insane. That is so, I got so scared because when I did my picks like for Huda Beauty, I saw there's a lot of skincare options and I was like, oh shit, because you guys already know how I feel. But I got a lot of makeup. That's so exciting. See, this is why I love Ipsy X. Like I really get excited for it. I really love Ipsy X, and I really do love just Ipsy Glam Bag. The Plus, not so much, but this was freaking cool. So if I were to battle these 2 boxes, it's obvious who won. BoxyCharm. No, no. Obviously, Ipsy won this month's Battle Box. This was so freaking cool. I'm so excited. So, yeah, guys, that is everything I got in my box today. Obviously, the items that I don't use are going to go into my No Waste Wednesday. And just thank you for all the new people that are here, for all the love that you guys showed me in my last video. It's definitely like very like anxiety and stress. And I'm just like, I hope they like me. So, yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please be sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. If you guys have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Please head over to my other channel please head over to my other channel. It's Art for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and I am now officially working on the wedding video, so that is coming soon. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Rare element to find. It's a rare element. Okay, so the Cover FX is a good mix. This is in the shade Light 13. This is, but anyway, so if you guys want to see, you know what? This is Life of the Apartment. For today, for help purify pure Glacier combo. This game changer combo. Last but not least, we got something from